Hi guys, I'm back. Sorry. Today I got a banger for you guys. Today we are going to be making lunch. So it is currently 1 o'clock and I was home alone. I'm like, I'm hungry, but I have zero food in my house. So channeling my inner mother, my inner caring mother, I decided I will make myself lunch instead of driving 30 minutes to McDonald's and not spending the $7 on my meal, but spending probably up to an hour making it. So yeah, today we're going to be making Achieve Cane's style chicken tenders. I'm going off zero recipe, and yeah, so we're going to do that and see how it turns out. I'm guessing it should be easy. I got the flour, the chicken tenders, or the chicken breasts, actually, they're not tenders. The chicken breasts are thawing out right now, so yeah, it should be pretty easy. Eggs, flour, seasoning. Shout out Tommy Charchiri's Creole. I put that shit on everything. It literally says great on everything, so. Alright, chicken's almost done thawing, so. Oh, test me. Alright, chicken's almost done thawing, so we are gonna get started on the breading. Is it just a clear shot to my crotch? I was correct, it was a clear shot to my crotch. Alright, so this green bowl, we are gonna have the egg wash in. This one will have our breading. So, that's how you know you're seasoning right. We're on the right track. There we are. Ooh. Next, we will grab our eggs and get ready to do our egg wash. Homegrown eggs, straight out of my chicken butt, straight out of the bunghole, just right there. Clean the kitchen just to make a mess again. Oh, I think that's the timer going off for the chicken. Or yes, for the chicken. That's crazy. We're making chicken with chickens. That's crazy. You put the whole egg in there, right? Alexa, do you put the whole egg in egg wash?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, egg wash is the egg white separated from the egg yolk used to brush onto usually baked bread or pie crusts, not the whole egg.
Oh, I'm not thinking of egg wash. We're not making egg wash. We're making egg. I'm not too worried about the whole salmonella thing. Here's the pot we'll be using today. Vegetable oil. I don't care about the toxins in my body. Dip the eggs, or dip that and that and then that, or no. We gotta clean up as we go. We don't got much space here at the lonely household. So, dip it in the flour, then the eggs, then the flour again. I think that's how they do it on the shows. Don't mind get your hands dirty, you know? Don't worry about it.
Now it is time for Campfire Stories with Chris.
Last night I stayed up a little late. I stayed up till probably about 3 o'clock in the morning, and my girlfriend was over here. Yes, I have one. And just kind of hung out. I was working on my computer, and she stayed here. It was really fun. And she left this morning, and I was really sad because it was like 10 a.m. I wasn't even wide awake yet. She was like, bye. I was like, what the fuck? I was like waking up all weird, and it was whack. The other day at work, or no, I was cooking the other day, and I'm a cook at my job, and as I'm cooking, the people that I work with, they lost food, like food I made for an order. They lost the food, and I was like, how the fuck? It's a sandwich too. I was like, how do you lose a sandwich? They're like, I don't know, but it's not here, so you gotta remake it. So I had to remake a whole nother sandwich. Then you think it wasn't bad the first not bad enough the first time. They did it again. Same probably like 30 minutes later they did it again. Alrighty. All tenders are down. There's so much caking on my hand. When it sticks to your hand, that means it's good batter, right? Damn, I should have used way less of everything. We are not done with these tenders yet, and I think the oil is still warming up. So, we have our tenders. I may go a little over on the seasoning, and if it's over seasoned, then I know not to do that again. Okay, let's go test this oil. here's my PSA for hot oil. If you or a loved one are dealing with hot oil, be careful. Don't put it near water or you'll blow up and die. I have no clue if this oil is hot enough yet. To test to see if this oil is hot, Alexa, set a timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
Always wash your hands. Oh, that should not be flinging water. I want to make sure it's covering all that axes of the tender. We are crisping up in here. I think we're gonna flip them over. All right, well that's doing its thing. We are going to clean up the mess because I was supposed to clean kitchen today, and I did, but I made it dirty again. I forgot to film taking them out, but there they are. All right, now to see if do I have a meat thermometer? I guess not. So we're gonna have to go the old-fashioned. I mean, they look cooked, but I have actually eaten. Let's grab our tender, which perfect flake, exactly what I was going for. Not quite cane style, but still pretty good. Holy shit, that looks amazing. That's good. I know you guys can't taste the flavors, but see the flavor. The brown, golden brown crisping we got on it, you know, looks pretty good. Definitely could have like made a marinade for the chicken. Probably would have been a lot better. Probably look weird with the lighting right now, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I was gone for such a long time, but I hope I delivered a banger to you. If you guys want to see more cooking, me do more cooking, drop a like, leave a comment. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.